get me some chocolate, some Kingsbite. Don't hate, okay? Don't hate. Those in the comment section. Don't come after me, okay? Don't hate, okay? I have an awesome brother. Shout out to Prince, okay, for getting me these. So I'm going to be baking my cookies with these, okay? So I'm going to make chocolate chip cookies, but instead of using semi-sweet chocolate nibs, I am just going to be using these because this is the real deal. Don't tell anybody, but this is the real deal, okay? So I'm going to be using these. So to start, I'm using nut butters, okay? Usually, okay. So this is half a cup of almond butter, okay? You can just choose to use either almond or peanut butter, but I like the infusion of the flavors. It's like when they're mixed together, their love making is awesome when it comes out, okay? So I have half a cup of almond butter, half a cup of peanut butter. I'm using crunchy peanut butter because when my cookie comes out, I like the little bits and pieces of the peanut in there when you bite into it, the crunchiness, I like that. So, but if you don't want it, you can use smooth peanut butter. So half a cup of almond butter, half a cup of peanut butter. I have 1 teaspoon of kosher salt, 2 tablespoons of almond flour. Okay, you can use regular flour, okay, if you don't, but I'm using almond flour. I have 1 teaspoon of baking soda. I have 2/3 cups of turbinado sugar or raw sugar, like raw sugar. I have, of course, the Kingsbite. Okay, the chocolate chip is not complete without the chocolate chip, without the chocolate. Okay, so I'm using this right here instead of my chocolate chip. And I have melted butter, 2 tablespoons of melted butter here. I have 1 egg, and I have some vanilla extract to go with that, and I'm going to use just 1 teaspoon. Okay, so let's just get started. All right, so to get started, I'm going to add this almond butter. Was in the fridge, so it feels a bit cold. Make sure you have a really strong spatula. Just add your nut butters. This is like really easy to make. I'm telling you guys, this is very, very easy to make. I'm adding the sugar. So the butter, the sugar, it doesn't matter to me in which order you decide to go. Adding the almond flour. In goes my salt, baking soda, butter all over it, butter it. Okay, I'm going to add my egg. I'm going to some comments. Oh, wow, and I didn't charge the Chromebook. Okay, so today really looks like a, see, I'm not crazy. Somebody's backing me. Today looks like a Saturday. I'm not crazy. Nathaniel's not here to drive me crazy. So I'm gonna add 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract. And we are okay. So first of all, I'm gonna mix this. Okay, so I'm only using 1 egg. Mix. So it's not gonna be smooth, like it's not gonna be smooth like you're making soup. No, Okay, so the next thing I'm doing, I feel like I want to add 1 more. Hold on, guys, I'm going to. Woo, there goes my. I'll probably just. Ooh, there goes my Kingsbite chocolate, chocolate. So this is the almond flour that I'm using. You can get almond flour anywhere near you, okay? So I did 2. I'm gonna add 1 more. I feel like I want it a little doughy, so I'm gonna add 1 more tablespoon. There you go. It's like, this is a live video, so I get to clean my workstation. I can't make a mess, so I will be right back. Okay. Desired result achieved. Okay, so remember, three tablespoons. So now I'm gonna just cut the chocolate up. There you go. This is how real chocolate sound like when you're breaking it apart. Kingsbite chocolate. I feel like I wanted more. Like. Okay. Oh man, it smells so nice. No, Steven is trying to steal. Y'all saw that. Y'all saw that on video. He's stealing my chocolate. He stole my chocolate, okay? All right, so I'm going to add Kingsbite chocolate. If you want the real chocolate, it's from Ghana, not from China. So now we just mixing everything in here, and I'm like, so this is it. This is it. We are done. We are done.
We gotta bake it.
Now we gotta bake it, of course.
It's not done.
See, it's nice. So, yeah, I have 2 chocolate here, but I'm not going to use it. If you want more chocolate, hey, you can add more, okay? Like, I'm gonna go ahead and throw some of these nips in here. These are semi-sweet, like these ones, okay? So I'm just, the more the merrier, okay? So now I'm just going to put this on the baking sheet and bake it for, put it in the oven, and it's going to bake for 12 minutes, okay? Anywhere from 12 to 14 minutes. So may I get my baking pan, Sarah, please? Sarah, please. Oh, okay. So we can have some of this chocolate. So when we need some, Prince can send us more. So I have my ice cream scooper. That's what I'm going to use. Stay on there. And when you're baking, you don't want them close together. You want to space them out so that when they decide to spread their wings, they have room. They're not touching each other. See, I have even terminology for cooking. I'm cool, honey. I'm that cool, okay?
You got lots of room.
So yes, you can make this for the kids, for your next get together. You can make this and sell in front of your house. Hey, this can be somebody's business, okay? This is so easy to make. It's like easy and simple to make. At this point, I'm like, I hope I have enough room.
Lots of room.
Okay. Watch and learn, guys. You learn it from the pro. Someone's like, why is this woman always like full of herself? And it's called self-esteem. Which I have plenty of.
Someone's asking for a lactation recipe.
Lactation recipe. Honey, fenugreek. Now I feel like...
You have room for one more. Make that one big one.
I scoop them. Steven is saying make this one a big one because it's going to go for that one. All right, so how many do we have? 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4. So we got 12. Perfect. Okay. So now I'm gonna put it in the oven at 350 degrees, like I said, for 12 minutes. I will be back. All right. So now we have our cookies in the oven and it's baking. So we're just going to wait till it's done. Oh my goodness, this looks so good. Oh, let me try and show you guys. Look, guys, look what we did. Look at what you guys did. Doesn't this look amazing? This looks awesome. It's perfect, I would say. Oh, Nathaniel's home. This is like perfect. So this is our chocolate chip cookie, guys. It's like hot. I gotta sit it down. Hold on. So this is our cookie, chocolate chip cookie. So if you look, you can see the peanut butter. I'm trying to like point it. Yeah, you can point because it's like I'm trying to point and hold that. Okay, so you can see the peanut like chunks in there, and that's what I was talking about. That's what I like, because when I bite into the cookie and I bite into the chocolate chip and the peanut, it's so crunchy, and you get a little bit from the salt too. That's why it's good to use like kosher salt, but if you have sea salt, you can use that too. See, it's all smashed up here because... Okay. So, baby, you want to get some milk, and we're going to initiate this. Oh, you already got your milk. Damn, bro. That was too...
I'm ready.
Steven already got his milk. I'm like, you want to get us some milk? And he's like, I got my milk already. Okay. So you want to get a plate, just one of those white plates, like the small ones. Okay. It's still hot, so you have to let it completely cool, but because we're about to wrap up this live video, we just want to show you the cookie that we baked. It's still like hot. I am just going for the chocolate part. You guys can see the chocolate part. Don't hate. This is so good. The chocolate melts in your mouth. This is Steven taking a big chunk, dipping it in milk.
And that was good.
If you have kids, make this for them, okay? Make this for game night. I'm telling you.